Hello guys, welcome to another series of our YouTube tutorials. Today I'm going to be walking you through the step-by-step procedure on how you can get a free Namecheap hosting plan. Okay, this plan lasts for a month. I will show you everything that you need to know cheap plan. So you just have to sit back and follow all the steps in these tutorials. Okay, first thing I'll do, I'll go to namecheap.com. so I can show you the plans they have. Okay, it's asking me for verification, so let's verify that. Verification successful. Yeah, this is Namecheap. Okay, now let's go down to the shared hosting plan. Okay, so they have up to like 3 different shared hosting plan, which is Stellar Plus and Stellar Business. You can see for yourself, it's all free for 30 days, free for 30 days, and the Stellar Business free for 30 days. So what we are going to do now is register a new Namecheap account. Okay, so please follow this procedure step by step. I'll be using this email because I don't want verification issue. Okay, let me use atomicme.io. They are very reliable when it comes to fast registration such as this. Okay, so first thing I'll do is come here, enter my Gmail. Let's see, Namecheap tutorials. Please make sure you save it somewhere so that you don't forget where you used to save it. Namecheap tutorials. So this will be my email. You copy this at atomicme.com too. Okay, let's just type it at atomicme.io. Sorry, not .com, it's .io. Okay, so you create your inbox. Sorry, I didn't get that right. Let's see, sign up here. Okay, let me use my name. Okay, that's my name. Let's go to this email already. Okay, you can see that. Namecheap tutorials. Okay, password. I'm going to be using a random password, which is Namecheap. Okay, I'm not going to mention my password here for security reasons. Okay. That's it. Download and proceed. Okay, just save it here and that's it. You sign in. Yeah, you can see it there. So this is our email address. So now let's go back to Namecheap. Let's go back to Namecheap and sign up. Hit the sign up here. This is one method you can do it, or you can as well choose the plan first. Shared hosting. For this tutorials, I'm going to choose the Stellar business. Please, I want you all to notice the difference here. You can see the difference here. This one does not involve backup, which is the, let me pull it up so that you can see it. You can see the Stellar does not involve backup, while the Stellar Plus involves backup, auto backup every day or once in a week to back up your account for you. Unlimited website. This one is just 3 websites, so I would rather go with this one that I'm sure of, because I've been using this particular hosting for a while. So I'll go for the 30 days trial. Click it here. Okay, so I'll be asked to make purchase, but however I still can't log in without I can't make purchase without logging in, sorry. So now they are asking for a domain name. Okay, I think I have one. I'm not quite sure. Okay, this is the option here. If you are signing up for a new domain, you click new domain here. You enter the domain that you want to register, but if you have an existing domain, you just click it here. So I'm having an existing domain, and even with Namecheap, okay, so that was it. That's the domain name. I'll click connect to hosting. You can see it's still $0.00. Okay, so it's being connected to my hosting already. So let's see, add to cart. Now it has been added to cart, but I can't make purchase. That's one thing, I can't make purchase if I don't register. So it's better you register first, or you can also do it this way by choosing your plan before you register. Okay, so you can see this is going to be after 30 days. When trial is over, you have to renew it. You pay this after 30 days, then the renewal, this is it. I think this is a year plan. Yeah, this is a year plan. You can also choose 2 years plan. Renews at this price. That after the first year you are going to pay 128.88 USD, or after 30 days this is what you pay for the first 1 year. Okay, so I'll proceed to confirm order. You don't need the promo code again because they've already given you their promo. Now this is the platform where you have been asked to register or log in. So if you're already having an account, you can easily log in here, but I'm not having an account. Let's assume for the purpose of this tutorial there's no existing account, so I'll still use my name. Okay, I'll still use my name. Then the email that we created earlier on, which is this. I'll go back to the Namecheap registration page. Okay, you can see now we'll pick a username, Big Tutor 360. Okay, I hope this is available. I'll just open some here and save it so that I don't mess it up. Now it's asking for password. Okay, hide my password. I don't want to reveal my password. Okay, let me use this password. This is for tutorial purpose, and this account I'm going to disable it once I'm done with these tutorials. Okay, so click create account. Okay, I have to prove that I'm human. Okay, let me add the password again, then the 12A. Yeah, you can see, then create and continue. Okay, let me save this. So what's the next step? I think there are some information here that we are supposed to fill. Well, I've filled most of the info, so I'll proceed to continue. Okay, they are still requesting for the info. Company name, okay, I'll use okay, let's see. Okay, so you can see I've added. Okay, let me correct something here. So these are your details. I've added my details. I'll click continue. No, I don't want to save these details. Okay, you can see it's asking me to make payment for this plan. So what I'll do, I'll log into my PayPal account. Or let me just proceed. I will use PayPal. It's going to direct me to a PayPal page where I'll make my payment. Pay now. Oh, sorry, I have to tick this box to agree to their terms and conditions. Okay, one good thing, I was not asked to link a payment method because it's free, so there's no need adding a payment method. So you can see, thank you for your order, everything was completed successfully. Now let me go back to my page and see. Okay, let me go back to my profile. So you can see everything is set. Hosting list. You can see the hosting plan is there, and they are saying expiring this June 16th. So it's a 30 days plan, so it's going to expire July 16th because the promo only runs for 30 days trial. Okay, that's it. So this is how you can easily get your hosting plan for free. So one more thing that we need to do, let's go to the C panel and see what they have in stock for us. Okay, you can see, sorry, we failed to log you in. After registration, you need to wait for some minutes, so you have to be patient. Let's say like 5 minutes after registration. This will allow them enough time to activate your account, and especially it's a free trial, and again it's a new account, so they want to make sure it's not a spam account. So they may likely send us an email. Let me check my email if there's any form of verification. This is order summary here. another summary. Okay, let's see if they're asking us to verify. Welcome to Namecheap. Okay, so they've given us everything that we want here. That's nice. So let's go back to our Namecheap dashboard, and we have to refresh this to see if our hosting is fully ready. Let's try again. Go to cPanel. Okay, it's not ready, so we need to still wait for, let's say, about 30 minutes or so. So when it's fully ready, I'll let you guys know. Let's wait. Okay, a little patience, and that's it. Okay, let's try again. Same thing. Okay, so I'm not surprised because this is not the first time I'm getting this kind of result. Each time you get any hosting, even if you are making payment for it, you need to be patient so that you can have all the package that you want. So it takes time for them to reassign this package, so you have to hold on. Let's say you are giving it from let's say at least 10 minutes. Is it okay? If you can wait for 10 minutes, let's refresh this and see. You can keep refreshing. Let's see. Go to cPanel. It's the same thing. So you have to wait. If you can follow this procedure to this step, you need to be patient for like 30 minutes. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I don't want it to exceed the time limit. Okay, so all you need to do once you get to this stage, you just have to wait for them to activate your account for you. Then you have your cPanel. Okay, so in our next tutorials, I'm going to be unveiling how this one was activated by their support team. No, though I don't have to message them, they'll do it by themselves. Okay, then from there I'll show you how you can carry out different activities in your Namecheap cPanel. Okay, until then, peace, and please don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for your time.